Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Pro, and let me share with you how to use the sidebar with the toolbox. So first of all, I'd like to show you how to turn it on actually, because right now we do not have it activated. So let's start by tapping on the settings, and here we have to scroll and find additional settings right here. Then let's scroll down and go to floating windows and go to Side Toolbox. So here we have to simply tap on this switcher to turn on the sidebar, and as you can see right now we've got this line which is on the right side. If we will tap on it and hold it, we will be able to change the position of our side toolbox. Moreover, you can change it from the right side to the left one, so it's completely up to you which position is the best for you, the most comfortable for you. And to open it, we have to swipe our finger from the left to the right, or from the left to the right, or from the right to the left, depending where you've got your toolbox positioned, and swipe it in the place where the side bar is. So swipe like that in order to open the options which we can open in the floating window. So for example, we can open the Google Chrome, then we can also open, I don't know, the gallery, and now we can simply use those apps in floating windows. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.